I'm back today. It's a G Beto G. I'm going to be making Ocean City trap beat today. Make sure you follow along as I'm going to produce this Ocean City trap beat. Follow along as I'm going to produce it. My favorite tempo to produce my trap beat is always 130 BPM. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos, you will get notified. I'm the one who produced trap beat. Now I'm going to launch my FL Studio properly. I'm going to put my cursor here, right click and press open. Now it's loading. I'm just going to wait a little bit for it to load and I'll start programming my Ocean City trap beat. It's going to be nice, it's going to be very good, so make sure you follow along. Don't miss this session. Don't miss this session. Now this is my channel rack, this is my playlist, this is my mixer, and I'm going to click here on add. As you can see, I've already clicked on add. This is add, and this is my plugin. As you can see, I'm going to pick the best plugin and choose the best preset. Now I'm going to pick this preset called Harmless. Now I'll pick my Harmless plugin. I'm going to click here, then I will left click and hold the mouse left click button and turn the mouse wheels right up to channel 5. Now I'm going to click on this icon here and click on presets. As you can see, these are many presets. Then I'm going to pick the right preset to start creating my Ocean City trap beat. Before picking your preset, make sure you pick the right preset that sounds very good. That's an important thing. Now I'm going to pick this one called Classic. Now I'm going to right click and press piano roll. This is how I'm programming my Ocean City trap beat. I've programmed a 2 bars pattern. Now I'm going to left click, hold it and turn it to the left and press Ctrl B and copy to bars number 8. Now I'm going to click on this add and I'm going to pick this one called Unison to the bass melody. I'm going to left click, hold the mouse left click button and turn the mouse way up to channel 6. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Now I'm going to create my hi-hats like this. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. I'm going to press Ctrl A and copy it right to bars number 8. Left click and highlight this to your left and press Ctrl B. That's it. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Right click and press piano roll. I'm going to press Ctrl A and pitch it up. Now I'm going to turn my hi-hats up and add a sound organizer. Next thing is I will start programming my snare now. This is my snare. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. At the end of each bar, I'm going to place my snare like this. Now, this is my kick. I'm going to bring in my kick into channel 1 on my channel rack. Now, I'm going to right click and press piano roll and start programming my kick. Step is this is my boss icon here. I'm going to click on it and turn the boss right up, and this is the main source. This is my cursor here. I'm just going to click on this icon here to swap left and right. Here, swap left and right. I'm going to turn up the master up and bring up the master volume up like this. My first melody, I'm going to add a fruity parametric EQ2. And on the second melody, I'm going to add a fruity limiter. And I'm going to add another fruity parametric EQ2. Now I've finished programming everything. I'm going to arrange my trap beat on my playlist. This is my playlist here, and where they have written part 1, I'm just going to right click and split by channel. As you can see, I've split everything by channel here. I'm just going to bring in my kick by clicking on it like this and dropping it on my playlist, kicking my snare, drop it on my playlist like this. I've click on my hi-hats. This is my hi-hats here because I've taken it here and drop it, and this is my snare. I'm going to click it here. I'm going to bring in my first melody, classic, and drop it here. I'm going to click on the second melody and drop it here. Now I'm going to copy this one and make it longer to create the space on intro and outro, and this is how you arrange your beats. Watch me arrange mine now. Make sure you follow along and subscribe. Let me play and arrange my beat. going to remove the kick here. I'm going to remove the hi-hat and the snare. I'm also going to highlight it by left clicking the mouse key button. I highlight it to the left and press Ctrl B to make it longer. I'm going to remove the hi-hat here. I'm going to remove the snare here. Now, I'm going to right click and create automation clip for the first melody. I'm going to right click again and create automation clip for the second melody. I'm going to spice up my beats by adding a hi-hat here for the starting of my intro. Like this. On my second slot, I'm going to turn the second slot down to mix level 2 and add the sound goodnizer. And on the second melody, I'm going to turn the slot down to mix level 1 and add a 2 multiband compressor. And on my snare, I'm going to click on this slot 1 here and add a sound goodnizer. Thank you so much for watching. Let's listen to the full Ocean trap beat now. Let's go. Thank you for watching. I've already finished making my ocean trap beats. See you next time in another video. It's a GB2G. See you next time, and make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos you will get notified. Thanks.